Most people are going to fail at becoming an AI engineer in 2026, not because it's too hard, but because they're learning the wrong things in the wrong order. And the worst part is they won't even realize it until it's too late. I spent months analyzing hundreds of AI job postings, real candidates, and hiring trends. In this video, I'm giving you the exact roadmap to become an AI engineer in 2026. No fluff, no confusion, just what to learn, in what order, and how long it actually takes. Let's get into it. First, let's fix the biggest misconception. Most people think AI engineers are math geniuses building models from scratch. That's not true. An AI engineer builds products using existing AI models. You take tools like ChatGPT and turn them into real applications people use daily, that chatbot on a company website. An AI engineer built it. Customer support AI solving problems instantly. AI engineer, a tool that scans legal contracts and finds risks. Still an AI engineer. So the real question is, how do you become one? There are 3 layers. If you follow them in the right order, you can go from beginner to job ready in under a year. Layer 1 is the foundation. You need Python, APIs, basic statistics, and a practical understanding of how AI models work. You don't need to be perfect in Python, just write scripts, run them, and fix errors. APIs let your code talk to AI, and if you don't understand them, you can't build anything. You only need basic probability and averages because AI works on predictions. AI predicts the next word using tokens and context windows, so focus on practical understanding. Goal: build a working AI script. Layer 2 is the core stack where things get real. Prompt engineering is a superpower. Bad prompts give bad results, and good prompts give powerful AI. LangChain lets you build multi-step AI systems and full workflows. Vector databases store meaning, not just text. RAG is very important because it lets AI use your company's data for accurate answers. Goal: build a RAG system. Layer 3 advances you ahead of most people. Fine-tuning trains AI on specific data to perform better for your use case. AI agents think, plan, and act, representing the future of autonomous systems. Deployment uses cloud tools like AWS to make your project real. Most people fail, not because it's hard, but because they watch random tutorials, don't build projects, and lack structure. Your certificate doesn't matter. Your GitHub does. Every interview comes down to show me what you've built, build 3 projects, a RAG chatbot, a fine-tuned model, and an AI agent system. These 3 projects will get you interviews. Here's the real timeline. 1 4 months foundation, 5 7 months core skills, 8 9 months projects. Total time, 9 months. AI jobs are growing fast.